guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and it looks just like this. It's very simple and it's easy to do. It took me about 30 minutes actually, and this is a new setup. This is my dorm room actually, so yeah. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So this is my second time filming this video because I didn't like how my other Valentine's Day makeup came out. So I'm gonna do it again. As you can see, I have a different background. I'm in my dorm room right now. So I already did my eyebrows and I concealed them, like my eyelids and everything. So we're gonna do eyeshadow now. And I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm gonna use Silk Cream, which is this color right here, and as a transition shade. Now I'm gonna use this color, which is called Poster, and I'm just gonna put that as another shade for my transition. I'm gonna use this color, which is called Pukey. Now we're gonna use this color, which is Roxanne, and I'm gonna put that tap it on and then kind of bring it up. We're gonna use Little Lady and Faint to put on my eyelid. I'm gonna skip eyelashes for a second and then go on to my face. So first I'm gonna use the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream, and I'm just gonna moisturize my face with it. Next, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional and putting it on my nose area. For foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in Natural Beige. I'm just going to pump that on my face. Use my beauty blender. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart. Distant like the stars. So next I'm using my Nars Creamy Concealer in medium 1, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm gonna set it with the Mercier translucent powder. Going back to eyes real quick, I'm gonna put eyeshadow under my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna put the Stila Kitten eyeshadow in my inner corner. For bronzer, I'm using my favorite bronzer. It's the Anastasia Powder Bronzer in Saddle. I'm just going to use my Morphe brush in R14.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control.
Now I'm using my Nars blush in Dolce Vita. I'm using the Morphe R4 brush. We're gonna use the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, and it's broken. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush. It's a highlighting brush, I think. Now I don't have fake lashes with me at school, so I'm just gonna use my favorite duo as in my eyelash color and the Falsies mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna put that on my eyelashes. And lastly is lip color, which I kind of want to do red, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna try red. So this is the Gloss Bomb from Victoria's Secret, and this is like a nourishing lip tint, and this is in the color Cheeky.
Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on.
So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. And turn on notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.